guys and welcome. It's been a minute. If you guys watched my last video, you know that I'm pregnant. I am 20 weeks right now, so I have just been kind of lazy. I'm just tired all the time and I haven't really felt like filming, but I got my Boxycharm in the mail yesterday, so we are going to go through it. This is for March 2022, and this month it is called Game Changer. And it says celebrating game changers and boss babes in honor of Women's History Month. Okay, cute. So I will say I did cheat. I used pretty much all the products because I just couldn't wait. I opened them last night and now I can at least give you guys some feedback on what I think about them. So the first thing in here we are going to talk about, this is something I've never heard of before. It's called Vike. It's from Vike. Hold on, who's this from? Vike Beauty, and it's a makeup melt. So gentle oil-free makeup remover spray with skincare actives, clean and nourish. Makeup removal spray with skincare benefits. Makeup melt has 4 key antioxidants to nourish your skin after removal, leaving your skin bright, clean and renewed. No wipes or pads needed. Simply spray and makeup melt will remove your makeup, giving you a spa-like experience at home. So on the bottle, it does say to spray it onto skin and then massage in gentle circular motions with hands and rinse with water. It smells really good. I mean, I can't really give you guys an honest opinion because I didn't use it to take off makeup, but the spray is really nice. It's kind of, I feel like it has lavender in it maybe. It smells good. I at first thought it was a setting spray, but I've never seen anything like this. And this retails for $24. Okay, the next thing in here is coconut and fig hair mask with coconut oil and muru butter. I don't know if I'm saying that correctly. And this is from Style Dry. I was really shocked to see a hair product in here. I haven't seen a hair product in a really long time, but I was really excited because I love hair masks. I did actually try it last night. I put it doesn't really say, it just says gently work the mask through your hair from root to tip, leave for 10 minutes before rinsing, and voila, you're good to go. Use 1 to 2 times per week. So I kind of treated this as I do like my Olaplex number 3, I believe, that treatment, and I just kind of put it on dry hair and let it sit for like an hour, and then I showered it off. So yeah, my hair does feel soft today. Nothing crazy, but I'm going to continue to use it, and it smells really nice too. This retails for $16.95. All right, the next thing in here, I got a lot of I didn't get a whole lot of makeup in this one, which is okay because I really don't need a whole lot of makeup. I have a lot. This is from Aceology. This is a detoxifying treatment mask. Detoxifies, purifies, and regenerates. And it just says, cleanse and tone your skin, open the tube while holding upright. Squeeze a generous amount on your fingers or onto an applicator. I just used a little rubber applicator. I did try this out last night, and I just put it on my forehead, like my cheeks a little bit, my nose, and my chin, because it is charcoal. Well, I think it's a charcoal. Yeah, so it's got charcoal because it is black. Anytime I see a black mask, I don't put it all over my face because these things hurt when you take them off. So I always get a little nervous that they're gonna hurt really bad. So I try to stay away from my delicate under eye parts and just kind of do right here and then, definitely the nose. But I did try this out last night. I think it says to leave on 20 to 30 minutes. So I left this on with the hair mask, and yeah, it peeled off fine. It didn't hurt too bad. It peeled off really nice, and I feel like my skin it felt clean. It just felt really soft and clean afterwards, so I did really like this. And this retails for $69. Why? Why is this so much? $69 for a face mask? That seems a little high for me. Anywho, okay. The next thing I'm seeing in here, this is from Persona. It is Identity 2 Eyeshadow Palette. And it says your favorite neutral eyeshadow palette just got a bold upgrade. Disclaimer, looks created with this palette may make you feel extra confident. So I did do my eye makeup with this today. It is a really neat palette. I could see this being used as an everyday palette. It's got a lot of neutrals in it, and I really do like it. So here's what it looks like. I used this all over my lid, and then I used this kind of in the crease, and then I used a little bit of the purple to darken it up a little bit, and then I did use a little bit of the gold as well, just on top. So I thought this was really pretty. I don't think I've ever used anything from this brand, but I'm gonna swatch a couple of them for you guys and just show you. We're gonna swatch the gold one. It's called Unique, and it's really pigmented. That's so pretty. And then this other one, Driven, this is like a green. Could wear this one for St. Patty's Day. Just like a dark green. Let's try this one, Empowered. Ooh, that one's pretty too. So yeah, they're all really pretty. They're all super pigmented. Seems like a decent quality palette, and it retails for $42. Okay, last but not least, this one I have not tried yet. This is from Pretty Vulgar. It's called Lovebirds Matte Liquid Lipstick and Lip Gloss Duo. Now, if you guys know me, you know I don't like dark colors, but it does come with a clear one too, so I'm sure I'll use that one. Worn alone, the gloss provides a lustrous, non-sticky shine for all your favorite lip products. Adding the vivid red before the gleaming gloss delivers a perfectly kissable pout. So I kind of want to try it out for you guys just because I can show you why I don't like reds. So this is what the glosses look like. They're so pretty. I love the Pretty Vulgar packaging. It's always super duper cute. So yeah, it's got two little birds on it, like little lovebirds. And yeah, that is super dark. Doesn't have a smell. And then here's the clear. No smell either. Oh, we're gonna put the red on first, and I'm assuming it'll dry down because it said it's a liquid lip. Oh boy, here we go. Oh. I do not know how to apply dark lipsticks. I think it looks absolutely ridiculous on me. I will say though that this color like doesn't make my teeth look yellow. I feel like most reds kind of just make my teeth look yellow, which is why I don't ever wear them. So does it say how long to let this dry? It doesn't say. I don't know if I told you, but this set retails for $30. All right, here we go. I wonder if it's gonna get all over this. Wow, it didn't. Wow. It didn't transfer onto there hardly at all, maybe just a little. Okay, well, got some red lips for the rest of the day. So I'm probably just gonna like see how long it lasts. I mean, it is very pretty, but I don't know. I just don't feel like reds look good on me. But anywho, let me get my phone and I'm gonna add together everything and see how much this box was worth. Still cannot believe that mask is $69. So apparently this box retails for $181.95. It's debatable. But overall, I'm happy with it. It's stuff that I'm gonna use. This lip gloss I'll definitely use because I just love clear lip glosses. And this will probably go to my dark lip color graveyard in my bathroom that just sits there. I do try to donate to some friends, but a lot of times I've already tried it and I just don't know how sanitary that is to kind of share those products. So unfortunately, a lot of them end up getting wasted. But in this palette, I really do like this palette. I actually put like 5 of my other palettes away. I'm just gonna leave this one out for a while and just try to use this one every day because it has like the perfect colors that you could use for every day. And then if you wanna like go out at night, which let's be honest, I'm in bed by like 8. I could throw on some darker colors and jazz it up for the night, but yeah, I do really like this palette. So, all right, you guys, that is my March Boxycharm. What did you guys think? Did you get your boxes? Are you happy with them? Did you get any of these products? Let me know down in the comments what you think, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.